Okay, let's look into exercise 3.3, create a query in Access. So we go back to the Access database we have been working on. With the table friends. And following the instructions, we go ahead and create a query. As I said in the last exercise video, that I prefer to use the wizard tool. However, to make sure you follow exactly what the instruction says, we try query design for this video. With query design, you will see step by step how we built up a query, and later on when you understand what's happening, then we can switch to query wizard because that's faster. Okay, query design and table friends. Yes, we only have one table to choose. We add that. Yes, now it's in our screen. And what's the next step on the query one screen? Okay, this is a query one screen, and we have some empty fields here. So we first choose all of them. You see, every time I click, it adds itself to the screen. And we want to know which one of your friends is from Amsterdam. That's why we need to set the criteria in the city. And here is where we insert the criteria. With quotation marks, you can type in a text. So in this case, Amsterdam is written in text, so we have to use the quotation marks. And if it is a number, then we don't need quotation mark. We can just say more than, for example, 600, or more than or equal to, or smaller than, etc. But in this case, we are dealing with a text, so we need to use the quotation mark. Quotation mark Amsterdam. Yes. Then what the system does is that it will run all these records and find the record that meets the criteria Amsterdam as the city. Okay, so we can run it and see what's happening. So here we have run, click on that. You see we find two friends living in Amsterdam, Jan and Tom. Okay, return to the design view, and then we have another city, Alkmaar. This time we do not put in the quotation marks and see if that's working. Alkmaar. And okay, you see the quotation marks are added automatically. So sometimes if you forgot to set the quotation marks, it's no problem. The system will add it for you. But to be exact, to make sure when the criteria gets more complex, your query will still work, better to type in the quotation marks by yourself. Now we have Alkmaar, run it. We have two people in our table that's from Alkmaar. Let's change back to the next point in the instruction. We delete Alkmaar and then we enter in the salary field more than 500 and run it again. These are all your friends that's earning more than 500 euros. Okay, return to the design window, and now the instruction tells us to show everyone earning less than 500. Run it again. Here we go, 3 records. And we go back and now run the query to show all the students in Alkmaar with a second condition that earning less than 1400 euro. So first condition is here, city Alkmaar, and second condition is under the salary less than 1400. And now we run it. This is the answer. Lucas, earning less than 1400 and living in Alkmaar. So there's no next one. Let's delete it. Oh, it didn't say we need to delete it. Let's keep it as it is. And now we save the query. The easy way to save the query is to just close it, and then the system will pop up a window and remind you to save it. Close. Do you want to save? Yes. And now we have a chance to rename it, but it's not required, so we leave it as it is, query 1. Okay. And the instruction tells you to add two more of your friends and then look for them. I will leave that part to yourself if you don't mind, and if you have any questions, just let me know. This is exercise 3.3. Until next time.